Hi guys, I'm Hassan with WTI and I came to my bathroom today because I wanted to show you how amazing these waffle curtains are and why I love all the details of it. I love that they're heavy duty and they're hotel quality. So these are not your basic shower curtains. These are statement pieces in your bathroom. This one is 72 by 84 inches. And look at the texture. It's actually a waffle texture. And I love how you don't have to worry about them wrinkling. They will always be perfect. Doesn't matter if you're using cold or hot shower, the texture and how great they look is not going to change. You can use it with a liner and it will never stain. You don't have to wash it that often. But this color is just great because if anything, stains won't show that much or dust because it's not a light gray. It's just a perfect shade of gray that won't make your bathroom look darker than it already is. In my case, my bathroom doesn't have lots of lighting, so I didn't want to pick a curtain that would make it smaller or cramped. This one matches the rest of the details in my bathroom, and that's why I picked this color and I love it. So if you're looking to have an elegant detail in your bathroom, heavy duty curtains that will last you forever and that look really elegant and really make a difference in your bathroom, well, this curtain from AmazerBath is for you, and that's my point of view.